Experience professional window installation with J1 Construction, transforming Tacoma homes with quality, energy efficiency, and modern style. Our process begins with a comprehensive consultation and precise measurements to ensure every window fits perfectly. Next, skilled technicians install state-of-the-art, energy-efficient windows using only top-quality materials. Every step is performed with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring enhanced insulation, reduced noise, and improved security. A final inspection guarantees that each installation meets our highest standards, leaving homes more comfortable and visually stunning. Trusted by homeowners throughout Tacoma and the greater Puget Sound region, J1 Construction delivers consistent excellence with every project. Upgrade your home with windows that combine durability, style, and efficiency. Contact J1 Construction today for a free quote and discover the difference professional window installation can make. J1 Construction, elevating Tacoma homes with expert window solutions.